Hello all JoinerCAD fans! In this video, I will show you how to create the material you want and then assign it to the 3D model you have designed. This will allow you to create designs from any material. Using the standard Fusion 360 functions, the Material Browser dialog is called up and the Appearance tab is assessed. Here you will follow the standard steps required to copy the asset of a material or appearance and place it in the database. From this database, it will be used later to create the material in the JoinerCAD database. The Assets library is a JoinerCAD material library, where you can freely create and edit existing items. In order to make edits, you need to move the material to the Favorites section, where the changes will be made. For simplicity, I copy an existing material and upload it to Favorites. I click on the Edit button, change the Appearance asset name to Aged Oak, and change the texture image. The image was downloaded from the web, so you can make your own appearances or materials based on the texture of the particular look you are creating. The edited entry must be returned to the Assets library to be visible and accessible from the JoinerCAD Material Editor. After this, we can close the dialog can and open the JoinerCAD Material Editor. The JoinerCAD Material Editor is called up, and then the Add New Material and Appearance button is called up in the main window. The Appearance tab is then selected in the dialog that appears, where we can find the Aged Oak item. It is dragged and dropped into the Cover Appearances section. In the Editor window, I enter the material code and specify that the added material has texture direction. The newly created cover is now added to the LMDF and LCB items in the laminated board section. These materials will be used in the model. The newly created cover is also added to the PVC edge band. The work in the editor is now complete, and these materials can now be assigned to the model. Details on how to create your own material and appearance and how to use them in the JoinerCAD database are presented in our previous video, whose link is shown right now. The Material Assignment dialog is called up, the laminated board material type is selected, and the LMDF material is assigned to the panels, and the LCB material with Aged Oak texture is assigned to the back. Then the edge band is assigned to the front edges of the cabinet, which also has an Aged Oak appearance. The work on the materials is finished. You can now adjust the texture direction and oversizes of the assigned materials in this model as you wish. But the details of how to do this are provided in the next video, whose link is shown on the screen. In the next video, I will show you how to add hardware to this model and automatically sculpt holes where it is supposed to go. Thank you for your attention.